Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to cook roast chicken. Let's start seasoning the chicken. All the ingredients and tool used will be in the description box. Add salt in every corner of the chicken. The salt will give it a really nice salty taste on the skin. Add some black pepper. I'm going to stuff it with rosemary, garlic, butter, and half lemon. The combination of the rosemary, lemon, garlic, the butter will really give it a nice aromatic flavor. I have mixed some of the butter with the rosemary to spread it over the chicken. I have already prepared all the vegetables. I'm going to put it in the baking tray. Toast with lemon and melted butter. After mixing it all, now I can make room for the chicken. Put it in the middle. Now I will place the chicken in the middle of the baking tray. Bake it for 200 degrees for 1 hour, then reduce it to 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Our roast chicken is ready. We need to leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Testing time. Now we can cut it and see and try it. I love this part after cooking it and taste how it is. Oh wow, the flavor and the aroma in this chicken just burst in your mouth. It's so delicious. Thanks for watching our video, much appreciated. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out. Peace and love, everyone. Bye.